Today's video is going to be about a neighborhood that I love, which is called DAIKANYAMA. DAIKANYAMA is in the south of Shibuya and between Ebisu and Nakameguro River. The only way to get to DAIKANYAMA is by the Tokyo line from Shibuya, but it's just 15 minutes to walk from Shibuya, so that's what we're gonna do. The thing that I like about DAIKANYAMA is that it's super close from Shibuya, but it's a really different atmosphere. Shibuya is really crowded and busy. DAIKANYAMA is super calm. It's really more for families or for people who want to just stroll around and go into park. You also got a lot of French cafes, French boutiques, all of that. So yeah, it reminds me of Europe and I like this place. I'm just gonna head to the subway and then we'll be in DAIKANYAMA. So I've marked down this place which is called Log Road, and apparently there's a greenhouse coffee, something like that, so I'm just gonna see. So the place is really cute. Everything is made of wood, and you got pastry, you got smoothies, even their menu, it's just because I'm not really hungry now, but the menu is really healthy. You got avocado toast, some healthy grilled cheese. Yeah, it's unusual for Japan because everything is with rice, and here you actually got salad, but even their smoothie is really good. It's just how I like it. I think it's called Cafe Façon, but here you got the roastery on the first floor. On the second floor you can buy their coffee, so I think it tastes really good. I'm gonna try one espresso. Okay, so it was a really good espresso, maybe one of the best I ever had, but it was pricey, like 300 yen. In Shimokitazawa you can have a huge latte for 200 yen, and the guys were weird. Like when I entered, they seem really not used to foreigners, so I don't know, and they took ages to make the coffee.
A sparkle lights a fire, I'm high, I'm a butterfly, a blooming flower, but I am thirsty. A drop of water and another drop of water. Sunlight, I'll soon be rising.
If you want to try French chocolate, French pastries, Belgium chocolate, all of that, just go to the street next to the DAIKANYAMA station. You will see that just at the exit. And next to this blue, I don't even know these French pastries, but if you go next to this one, you will have the Blue Bottle Cafe, and Blue Bottle Cafe is American. I tried it in New York and it's really good. It's super simple. They just have the basic coffee, espresso, lattes, all of that.
How am I supposed to see? If I am in darkness, I am in darkness. Constantly restless, worry. I got a gun.
Here you get a bit of everything. It's like a restaurant, then you got a coffee, you got a shop for furniture, you got clothing shop, you got a working space, so it's a kind of concept store. I think it's really nice at night because you got all the lights. So we arrived in Tsutaya Books. It's really popular here, and just next to this bookstore you got a bakery which is called Hillside Pantry. I've never been there, so I'm happy to try that. It's really big. Like, the bookstore is 2 or 3 floors. The thing is, I think every book is in Japanese, so I'm not gonna buy any book now. I think it's worth the look even if you don't buy anything.
Come hold me, come hold me, come hold me. It's been me, myself, and why did you go, did you go? Oh fuck, I'm lonely, I'm lonely, I'm lonely, lonely.
Yeah, I still watch the shows you show me. I still drink that wine, but these days it tastes more bitter than sweet. And all my friends are way too drunk to save me from my phone. Sorry if I say some things I mean. I don't know how I'm gonna make it out. I don't know now. You got me saying fuck. I'm lonely, I'm lonely, I'm lonely.
So if we keep going down there, we're gonna head to Nakameguro, and that's not where we want to go. We keep this neighborhood for another day, so I'm just gonna go back to Shibuya and walk. So I'm gonna go there.
It's October, I don't want to get over you.
Get over you.
I'm lonely, I'm lonely, I'm lonely as fuck. Come hold me, come hold me, come hold me. It's been me, myself, and
You see, this kind of place in Europe, it will be creepy as fuck, but because it's Japan, it's super safe. Like, I walk here and I feel safe. I'm not afraid or anything. Every time I look at Tokyo's buildings, I'm like, I'm gonna miss this view so much. This city is amazing, but when it's dark, it's even more amazing. Like, it's like you have a different life. You feel really small because the city is huge and buildings are so high. You're just like a little ant in the city with millions of people around you, and that's something I like about Tokyo.
baby, I still can't find. Now I can't find my head. Was it luck or design? Watch the light in your eyes in bed.
So that's it for DAIKANYAMA. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna wrap this video here, and I see you in my next video. Bye!
So